Facebook, excuse me, on YouTube. And we're here at Dayton Hamvention, so let's see what's going on here. Okay, so let's start down here at Sierra Radio Systems. They sell the pack tenor. I actually have one of these. They're pretty cool. You haven't seen one before. Here they are. And it looks like they have a whole bunch of other stuff happening here too, which we'll take a look at when we come back.
There we go. Let's go, Mike.
All right.
Sorry, getting set up.
Halibut antennas. So this is still Friday morning. A lot of people are still setting up. It was actually quite hard to get in here this morning due to traffic. So if you have questions or you see something you want more information on, just make a comment and I will do my best to do that.
Thank you guys. Thank you. It's
Okay.
gonna be a great day, right? Oh, yeah. Having an amazing day.
Oh, look, there's Luke.
I can't wait for today. It's gonna be awesome.
This is an OPEC booth.
Awesome.
Really?
I didn't see any of this stuff yesterday, so I was a little.
It is.
You had everything.
So we'll be doing much more with OPEC as time goes on.
You look at me.
So let's take a look at look down here.
Texas. Yes, but we'll buy from you. Oh, good. Yeah. We already.
Some of their speakers. These you may not have seen before, but they're all kind of trunk lip mounts for various trucks and cars. Here's the bull mount there. It's available.
17-foot width or any large purchase, we're going to give them a.
These are like if you glue this to your dashboard, then you can put your magnetic mount microphone on there or your radio on there.
Maybe we'll take all of it.
Okay, I'll start with you.
So some of the tools that OPEC offers. These, of course, are very popular.
This, so you see my knee bag, right?
And we'll be doing something with these power meters and SWR meters a little later on. So there we go. So that's OPEC. First time demonstrating their products at Dayton. So if you're here, go check them out. Okay, Alpha antennas. Tower Electronics. They always have good stuff out here. Now looking at Buddy Pole.
When I do that vertical,
Let's follow the wire here.
when I do this one, I got
Good morning, Chad. Good morning, Andrew. Good morning.
Anything with the throat, like the SL239, the bulkheads, and connectors, yes.
Okay, moving on. Mastrank. They make some pretty good guy wires. Oh, look. Free samples. Got to take a free sample. So this is building 3. We'll do the other buildings in a little bit.
How you guys doing today?
So trying a Wi-Fi connection. So let me know if anything goes amiss here. We should have good coverage throughout this building. So let's take a quick look over here. If you're looking for a slightly used laptop, this is a good place to come. This is booth 3301. Veritas Resale Inc. Okay, M Squared. If you haven't seen the interview we did with M Squared last year, definitely check that out. Their rotors and antennas are pretty amazing. Of course, we can buy those at Ham Radio Outlet, of course. Hey, good morning, Tom and Brian.
25 element 432 Yagis in the H frame. I do have 4 9 element Yagis in the H frame.
Okay, Scanner Master. Good morning.
Morning, Julian.
Hey, good morning. How are you, Steve?
You gonna come video me later?
Absolutely. That was Steve from SDR Play. Here we are. Daiwa Comet. So antenna mounting solutions for all mobile-ish, all mobile vehicles, and there's a roof rack mount.
Obviously, I was born with a name. I chose this one.
We'll come back. We'll talk to the Daiwa Comet guys later on. So where's everybody watching from? Okay, good morning. Let's follow this guy for a little bit, see where he goes. You don't recognize him, he does the RF kits, RF kits amplifiers. I'm not quite sure what's going on here, but here's Diamond.
So you might be in there.
Let's talk to them before. Last year, their truck didn't show up. Their products didn't show up.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
How are you, Julian?
I'm just happy that you have product this
We
year.
are so happy to have our booth
so
here.
happy to
so
have
much so that we drove it. That's how happy we are. We drove
So-
it ourselves.
No
So-
FedEx.
So it was FedEx last year. They just neglected to show up, right?
They sent it to Xenia, Washington State.
Oh,
rather than
Xenia,
Xenia,
Washington
Ohio.
instead of Ohio.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah,
they
that was
wouldn't send
sad.
it. They wouldn't airship it back on the truck.
Oh my
They
God.
said, and then we didn't get it back for 2
A couple
weeks.
weeks after that. So yeah,
Wow.
it was brutal. But yeah,
Wow.
So this
we're happy to
time,
be here.
all the employees, we rented vehicles, and all the employees, we took all the product, trade show, booth, everything.
That is awesome. So let's do what we didn't do last year.
Yes.
Show me your stuff.
The new RHM12. the
Oh
new
yeah,
CPATU,
absolutely.
The new power supply. We've got all kinds of good stuff.
Thank
The
you.
CPATU
Vertical
needs the,
antenna.
yeah, it needs the external tuner.
Okay, which you've got the
We
icon
got
down
it
here.
right here. Quick ground wire.
SGC or MFJ if you still have it.
Yeah, these are the ones right here. Some of them.
Wow.
And I had this set up so if someone was going to use it for like a POTA or something, the ground wires, you could throw it out with the ICOM tuner and try it.
Wow. So it's a vertical antenna.
Vertical HF.
How tall is that? I didn't-
15
Oh, 15
foot.
feet.
Yeah,
Okay.
15 feet.
Excellent. And it's good for 300 watts. And you got 80 through 50, right?
That's it.
75. Excellent. Wow. That's cool. Are we going to be selling that at HRO?
They're going to be selling it, yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah, so
Excellent.
that's
I
gonna
like
work
that.
out pretty good.
Yeah, so what else do we have?
We have
Hey,
the
sir, how are you? Good to see you. Let's shake hands. Good to see you. Good to see you, man.
New antenna here.
Oh, what is this?
That's the RHM12 we got.
RH-M12, and you got it on an IC705,
Yep. So I'm trying to tune it now.
and you got direct to how's that mounted? Oh, you have a little.
Oh yeah, I got a little mount there. Yeah, and then
Let
tune
me
it
come
there.
around this side. You stay where you are, if your knees can handle it.
Oh yeah,
So a little mount on there.
and tune it, antenna tuner, battery.
Ah,
So we're trying to get some steak. There's a lot of RF in here for right
yes,
now.
no kidding.
Yeah, it's killing me.
And he goes, how tall is that?
Oh, this
That's
ain't even
with the
tall yet.
1.9 on it.
Right here.
Wow. Oh,
All
okay.
right.
Yeah. Wow, look at that.
And if you look-
Yeah. It's hard to see. I got to turn it in the back. Yeah.
It has the frequencies where you're going to be going.
And it's
Yeah, let me
indented so
see
you
if I
don't,
can-
it doesn't scratch it.
You could just slide it right up and down,
Oh, that's very cool.
and
like
then
that.
lock it in.
Yep. It's a lock one. Yeah.
Excellent.
But this is your 80. This is your 1.9.
Wow. Awesome. That's nice. And I assume HRO is going to be selling that as well?
Atro is going to be selling it. This is
Very
the
cool.
stuff that comes with it right here.
Oh, okay.
Is you'll have the antenna itself. It'll come with for UHF. It'll have your little counterpoise, little whip. So you take off the extension here, the telescoping part, put the little whip on, put the ground right here. Now you can have it for UHF.
Oh, wow.
And then you just adjust this for the UHF side.
Okay. Chad says he's adding it to his shopping list, so that's good.
Perfect.
And what's this called again?
The RHM12.
RHM12. There you go. Take a screenshot of that, everybody. This is the one you want. Excellent.
So those are the two right there that we've been focusing on lately.
That's excellent. Wayne, I'm so glad. Like you said, I'm glad that you have product here to show.
Yes.
And it's good to see these at least two new antennas that
Yes,
we'll be
sir.
having at HRO. So that's
Yes,
awesome.
sir.
All right. Thanks, Wayne. Take care. We'll wander around. Okay. We were walking away. So let's go through the Yaesu. They're actually not open, but I think they're gonna let us in anyway. I'm pretty sure. So here we go. It's good. It's good to have people. It's good to have people who you're friends with. As long as I don't destroy their booth as I walk through. Thank you. How you doing? Good morning. Good morning. So here we are with a great lineup of Yaesu handhelds. VX6R over at the left here, the FT70 and the FT5DR. And then coming down to the FT60, the FT65, and the variable FT4XR. Good morning, how are you? Good to see you. Walk in. Oh, this is doing Wires X. So there's the FT5, and then Wires X. If you didn't see the live video that we did right about 8 o'clock Eastern time, we met up with John and we went over the FTX series, FTX1 series. These guys, the Field and the Optima. Very nice display going on there. And it's with the brackets, the protection brackets here.
Yeah, give me a call.
Moving on. Trying to get rid of that glare.
Okay.
Okay. And there's the HS120. The new radios work with that, of course. And this is the radio that I take pretty much everywhere where I go outside. But not too, there we go. The FT891. It's an oldie but goodie. They're rotators, controllers. The FT991, don't think that's going anywhere. The FT DX101MP, the mothership, along with the external display that you can add. And look at all these guys, look, all lining up. Good morning. How you guys doing?
Morning. How are you?
I'm doing all right. You waiting for freebies?
No.
All right.
Waiting to check things out.
Waiting to check
got
these.
freebies?
That's better. I do.
What kind of freebies you got?
Go see on the other side. So look, new. Are these brown?
They are.
Brown is the new black. Look at this. How are you? Good to see you. I'm doing great. Thank you, Nori.
Good morning.
We got, oh look, they're coming in. They're coming in. All right, the AC booth is officially open. So we'll let them do their business and we'll walk around. Good morning, sir. How are you? Good to see you. Let's shake your hand.
Nelson Watts from Hickory, North Carolina. Nice
Pleasure to meet you,
and
man.
You are?
I'm Julian, N3JF.
Where from?
Well, originally from England, but from Orange County, California.
Oh, well, great.
All right, see you. Enjoy. Okay. Ah, Digirig. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing just fine. Okay, KO0TX. I'm Julian, N3JF. We have spoken before on emails and various other things. Julian from Ham Radio Outlet. Good to see you. And we're currently live on YouTube. So you have the Digirig Mini now, right?
Yes, there's Digirig Lite right here.
Digirig Lite. Yeah, the size of this thing.
It's optimized for mobile applications because it has, among other PTT methods, it supports locks. That allows it to key up anytime there's an outgoing payload without any need for any additional support from the app. So basically, any mobile app will work with Digirig Lite with any radio. So it will provide audio back and forth and take care of the PTT. It has an embedded USB cable for USB-C and included adapter for USB-A. Here we can see a essential $20 radio doing APRS with $30 tablet. So all you need is a Digirig Lite and the cable specific to your transceiver, which the cables are available for all sorts of radios. So this is all very affordable way to get in the packet in digital modes, including HF stuff like FT8 and SoulScan TV and things like that.
Yes, because it doesn't. These Digirigs don't just do APRS, but you can do WinLink and all kinds of
Yes,
stuff like
all sound card based digital modes. So here we have our flagship model. This can also, additionally to the basic audio and PTT, this has a serial port, so it can also do cat control in the capable radios, and it can also do programming of the radios.
that. Excellent.
So also there is a specific version for Yaesu FT891, which is one of the best mobile radios out there, but it has a quirky connectivity, so that's why there's a specific model for it.
And that's exactly what I have whenever I go portable, FT891 and the Digirig. So it's a really nice, easy setup and available at HRO as well. So very cool. Excellent. Dennis, thank you so much. And if ever you guys are having any kind of issues, go onto their forums, the Digirig forums, because Dennis answers pretty much every single question. And he is a great resource to have there.
Thank you. There's also information on all sorts of exotic radios. You know, whenever there's another off-the-shelf cable, there's information how to make a cable for your particular radio, whichever that would be. It can be anything from the tube radios to some exotic marine radios. So there's information on all sorts of cables that you can build if they're not available in store.
Excellent. Dennis, thank you so much. We'll see you again. Take care. Good to see you. Okay, let's move on. And we are at Gigapots. I know, I heard you say Gigahoo, but we're at Gigapots. We're walking through. Good morning. How are you? Good to see you. How you doing, man? Good to see you. All right, Quicksilver Radio. I hear the dulcet tones of Kevin Karamanos over at 12 volt power. So I believe there's still a deal on where you buy one of the handheld radios, you get a wireless speaker mic. Good morning. Good morning.
sir.
How are you? Good to see you. Good to see you.
Mic'd up here on my radio.
Uh-oh. Kevin, how are
Julian,
you?
how we doing?
I'm doing just fine. Thank you. We're live on YouTube.
All right, great. How you
So
doing?
I'm doing all right,
Good, yeah,
thank you.
we're just, it's the opening rush here.
It is.
We're
It's
getting wired
amazing.
in. We have our comms going here and everything. Yeah.
And then some random guy sticks a camera in your face.
That's okay. That's good. We're used to that. Yeah, we're used to that.
So how's business?
Things are good. The show just opened. Parking was tough, so
Yes.
we know it's going to be a good day today.
Excellent, excellent. So what's new at 12-volt power? I see you have the multi kit there.
Well, yeah. So we have the two booths, which of course is busy. We got the common and Daiwa booth over here, the next row over, and then we have the 12-volt power here. I would say the one popular thing we have is the new HF plug. It goes on most HF radios. It's an HF4, and then it goes to an Anderson connector with a 20 amp fuse. So that's kind of nice.
Very cool.
So we've got those right now, and then obviously we've got the power supplies here, the OPEC supplies, which we feature, are doing really well. And then we have this new one coming out probably in July. It's a little bit bigger footprint, but it just has some more features in it. So yeah, so that's the new one. Yeah.
Yeah, I look forward to seeing
Yeah, so
that.
that'll be out in July, but that's kind of what we have new at the show today.
Yeah, and what is this?
This is just another one that we're talking about bringing out in July or August. Also, it has a bunch of a door here, quick access serial, and same thing, has a built-in speaker and all that. So that's something else that looks like come out this summer as well.
Very
That
cool.
little
We look
desktop
forward to
supply.
that.
So, yeah.
Yeah. Well, Kevin, I'll let you get back to doing your stuff. I'm going to continue the circuit around.
All right, we'll see you
Take
around.
care.
Thank you.
Bye bye. And let's go. Yeah, we just did this way, so let's go around here. Oh, Tunematic controllers. And here we are on the outside here. I smell breakfast. Here he is.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing okay.
Good, good.
So, Transel, have we seen you before?
Oh yeah, I've been since 1980.
Since 1980.
Yep, I've been doing the shows. It's our 45th year here at Dayton.
Wow, excellent.
So yep.
And Daryl brought over some antennas that we're going to give away from Shark Antenna.
Yep.
So I believe they're 10-meter shark sticks,
yep,
right?
Yeah, shorties.
Yeah. So we're going to be giving those away throughout the weekend here, mostly Friday and Saturday. So unfortunately, Shark couldn't be here today to do their own booth, but Daryl was kind enough to bring them over for us. So
There you go.
So Transel, what do you sell?
We do produce a whole line of mounts and items for the ham bands, the dual bands. We do the various antennas for VHF, UHF, different types of mounts, a lot of specialty mounts, things like that. Do window mounts and various items.
And you do a lot of stuff for CB also, right?
We
Is
also
what I
do
get?
that market also, yes.
Yeah, excellent.
We do that market.
So every ham should have a CB, a GMRS, an HF radio. I mean, you name it,
And
we
you
should
can buy
do
them all at HRO.
You said it better than I could. Thanks so much. And get some accessories at Transel. So, Daryl, thank you so
Have a
much.
good
I
one.
appreciate it.
See you later.
Take care. Bye bye.
Daryl,
Yeah.
add 2 to my account.
That's that.
Oh, can I do that too?
Well, then put
Started
mine on
something.
his account.
Good morning, gentlemen, ladies. How are you? Good to see you. Happy Hamvention day 1. Actually, for you, it's probably day 2 or 3, but for me,
Day two.
day 2.
And long travel.
It's been long. So we love these. We love these RF kits.
No?
RF
Power.
RF power. Oh yes, 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 yes.
Hey,
I'll get it. I'll
already
get
you
it
didn't
right.
Make this video, man. You did the nice video without it. Now you need to make one without its power.
We'll do that. We'll have to do that tomorrow. Yeah.
Okay.
I will come back and we will entertain everybody.
Perfect.
Hey, take care, man.
Here.
Okay, let's move down. Here's Kevin.
Good seeing you.
Kevin,
Good
Bioeno. How are you? Where's your booth? Oh, he's down there, of course, yes. All right, we'll be down there. Here's the ladies and gentlemen from Momo Beam. Good morning to you guys. So what's new? You have a rotator, right? Or something going on?
We have some
NFED designs and
Speak nice and loudly. That way we can pick you up a little better.
NFED antennas that HRO is now stocking.
Excellent.
And high power versions
Oh.
for those FT8 folks, and we have a variety of chokes that we can add. This is an NFED and another version. HRO has both of these. Will be in stock this week, I believe.
Wow, in stock this week. That's great. Great to hear. And what do we have up here?
Well, this just demonstrates
yes.
our design approach, engineering and machining, high quality machining, stainless steel parts. Square boom is a key thing because it keeps all the elements horizontal.
Perfectly in line,
for the
yeah.
product, which is a real positive.
Yes, definitely.
And a simple phasing system, so we can do multiple bands with a single feed line.
Excellent.
But, typical construction is with the square boom, but we do offer a round boom construction for some of the more portable type applications. We have a 6 and 10 meter Yagi.
Just because they're a little lighter and
a
easier.
little lighter and good for that application. As shown
Yes.
here.
Awesome.
Some of the newer products on the market.
Awesome. Mark, thank you so much.
All right.
We'll come back talk to you again a little later. Bye-bye. Thank you. Karen, here she is. How are you?
I'm fine.
This weird hand comes from out of the camera to shake people's hands. Karen, RT Systems, you've been here forever.
Forever.
Not looking a day older than the day I first met you, so congratulations on that. And, well, you must be keeping busy.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so we have, sorry, I'm just seeing comments show up here. So what's happening with the new Yaesu FTX1? Is that gonna get your?
As far as I know, we will have a programmer for it. We won't know definitely until we see one.
Yes,
We
that's kind of
already
hard.
have one paid for, and we just have to wait for it to come, just like everybody else.
Yeah, awesome. Well, very cool. I'm looking forward to that. Karen, thank you so much. We're doing a loop, so we will come back and talk to you later on.
Good seeing you.
All right, take care. Bye-bye. Yes. Oh, coming back.
Let me introduce you to Garrett Dow.
Garrett, nice to meet you. How are you?
Repeater Book, and Repeater Book is now the source of information for the ARRL Repeater Book.
Ah, yes, absolutely. Yeah. And
The latest
there we go.
latest book.
Oh, repeated urging. So flip through some of the pages there. Let's take a look. So we got what are we looking at? City and state, and then city, state, county. Yeah, excellent.
It's got Canada in it also.
Oh wow, excellent. We're still allowed in Canada? Yeah. Okay, I hope so. And
Well, we are including all the states, right?
Yeah, right. That's funny.
He had somebody at the league open the book and find a correction that had not been corrected in the book for 10 years.
Oh my word.
So Garrett's data is just spot on.
Excellent.
It's really well maintained.
Awesome. Well, Garrett, it's a pleasure meeting you, and we will come talk to you later on the weekend. Take care. Bye-bye. Thanks, Karen.
Be a long time customer. Appreciate it, sir.
It's the Ham Sauce booth. Ham Sauce sells Paradan, and Bioeno is here. Good morning. How are you? Good to see you. Good to see you. Yeah, it looks like you're doing good business. Awesome. Keep it up. Yeah, we'll see you in a bit. There's Kevin, and he's got the perfect booth to show off the solar power, solar cells.
Go out this building on this hallway.
So let's see, this is the BSP 40 light. They do a 60 light also, which I believe this is the BSP 60, right?
Yeah, BSP 60 light. This puts out 20 volt open circuit, about 3 amps of charged current.
Yeah, excellent. They're really good, and they go along with your solar chargers, which I don't see up here. Oh, here they are.
That's the 4030 JUD.
Yeah,
That's the 20 volt. AC 1224 20
But the roads were sort of clear.
that's very cool. And nice deal there. Free MMP, free.
This one's
can't speak.
yeah. This is another type of controller that's fully compatible with the
Oh, I see. Yes.
Excellent. So here it is, right here.
Wives and kids.
That's the MPPT, right?
Yes.
Find out that
Excellent.
everything was okay.
Right. Wow.
Very sweet.
Very good. All right. Thank you.
This, yeah, Paradigm.
That's the lithium car charger product. So this one allows the charge from a vehicle. So this one is a relatively new product. This plugs into the vehicle's car socket, and then this plugs into the battery. And then you would connect from the battery to the radio, so that you can basically operate you can operate from the battery instead of using the vehicle's power in order to run the radio.
Excellent.
So this one is a neat product.
And it keeps everything at the right voltage and right amperage to keep your Bio-Mini batteries safe and lasting for years. All right, thanks, Kevin. We'll see you in a few. Okay. So again, this is just building 3. Here's Wireman. Most of the vendors here have booths set up in the same place every year, so it's quite easy to find guys once you've been here a few times. But Wireman is definitely a good place to come. They obviously have their online store where you can purchase wire of any length, plus you name it, accessories, they have it. See, it looks like lightning arrestor. Looks like it's made out of spark plugs. Why not? And your shrink tubing by the yard, by the look of it. And if you're on 10 meters, 10 meters has been good fairly recently. You got 1010 International.
No.
You can sign up and get a 1010 number and then hand those out to other 1010 members. Radio Oddity is here. I'll work my way through here. How are you doing?
Good, how
to
are
see
you?
you.
Good to see you too.
For those who don't know, this is Steve. He has a great YouTube channel.
Thank you all. Thank you all.
So KM9G, right?
Correct.
KM9G, there you go, on his head. Yeah, of course. So Steve, you did something recently on FCC type acceptance.
I did.
Which is a very common misnomer.
Misconception among
Yes.
ham. So there is no FCC type acceptance for ham radios. We are the license holder. We are the ones that certify the radios under our control. And if you buy a manufactured radio, it is exempt. There's no such thing as Part 97 FCC certification. There's a video on my channel, which is temporarily offline. That's actually the name of the channel, that goes through all the details and shows the actual FCC certificate from the ICOM 705, and in there it says it's Part 15 certified as a scanning receiver, and then Part 97 is exempt. So
there you go.
It's my appeal to authority.
And he has a lot of really good videos, so please check out his channell. Again, it is temporarily offline, on YouTube.
Yep.
All right, Steve, thanks very much. See you later. Take care. Okay. Let's see. Okay, going back into the main part of the building there. Chad, yeah, must be nice to only be an hour away. VK Radio on your bucket list. And yes, that is good to remember. Okay, let's see how things are doing, because we haven't been to the most important booth. Good morning.
Hello.
We haven't been to the most important booth at Dayton, and that is, of course, HRO. So things look like they're starting to get cooking here. Let me introduce you to the guys. This is Luke Rohn. He is our corporate purchaser and everyday good guy. And moving around here, this is Steve Gilmore. Steve is our national sales manager who won't stop selling for anything. Good morning, good morning. And moving around here, This is Rich Wysocki. He is the operations manager. And then there's somebody I haven't actually seen yet today. Good morning, Rob. How are you? This is Robert Ferrero III. And some of you guys will know this guy. This is Eddie. How you doing, Eddie from Plano, Texas?
Doing great. You guys, how you doing all there?
I think everybody's doing all right, but we'll let you know.
My slang, you know?
Your slang. All right, Eddie. Take care. We'll catch you later. And then there's one other guy back here who you may recognize or not. Good morning, sir. How are you?
How are you?
President of the company,
Good to see
Robert
you.
Ferrero.
Good to see you. Welcome to Dayton Hamvention.
Thank you much. And we're just introducing the rest of the team, so we'll catch up with you later, Rob. And then here's Daniel. Daniel's from the Atlanta store. And that's it. That's our team here at Dayton for this year. And looks like we got quite a lot of business going on here. Obviously, we have a couple of the new Yaesu radios, the FT-X1 series. I think we just have the field here available. And of course, radios from pretty much every other radio manufacturer as well. So you can see the shelves here. It looks like we brought an entire store here today. And then at the end of our booth, we have the same gentleman who walked past and said, "Hey, you're going to come shoot a video?" And I said, "Yes." That's not happening now. That's going to happen later. All right. But this is Steve, KI5ENW from SDR Play, and give us a quick tour of where we are right now with all this.
Well, we're basically demonstrating the networking in SDR Connect. The monitor on the left is connected to a Raspberry Pi server in Colorado, connected to an RSP Duo, and I'm logging into it remotely. On the right, we are connecting to a NRSP, also in Colorado, and again, we're connected in remotely, but here we're using the IQ Lite mode, which means we still get to see primary, the auxiliary spectrum display. So it's all pretty cool stuff. And I'm also previewing the ability to do rig control.
Yes.
So this is kind of interesting and geeky. But on the Kenwood here, as I turn the dial, you will see it will tune my remote NRSP in Colorado, which is pretty cool, and vice versa. If I click on the display here,
so
you will see that it syncs back and forth. This is just a preview. We've not released that feature yet. It's coming really soon, and everybody wants it. So I'm pleased to give this preview today.
Excellent.
Okay.
Steve, thanks so much. We'll catch up with you later. All right, take care. Okay. So let's see. We've been on for about 40 minutes. I'm going to end the stream here for now, and then we will pick it up in another building. So see you later, guys. Thanks for tuning in. N3JF out.